Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Viewers. In here you will see mostly unboxing of online products, learn different kinds of geeks, tricks, and tips in line with electronics, gaming, and other cool related ideas. Today I'm gonna showing you the LED LCD PD P-flat panel TV wall mount. It is suitable for 14 to 42 inches. There, and then let's try to open it up na. Ito yung box niya, ilagyan ko ng paper plastic wrap. Yan, yung seller guys, check nyo lang sa description box. Then charan, there it is. Yan, may foam, styro pala, sorry. Then oops, then the screws, yan, yung metal nya is not so hard or solid. Let me try to compress this. Yan, medyo kaya ko lang makompress. Then eto, yan, meron din siyang level. Yan, level indicator na pwede mong tanggalin. Then lipat kahit saan. Okay, ganito yung guys, nakahang yung eto siya, lagay nyo sa wall. And then ito yung sa TV. So you can see medyo tabungi na. There, bumalik na. Then dapat ganyan siya. Then ganyan yung TV nyo. So yan, naka wall mount na. Then about this thing, you're gonna put this here so that makikita nyo naman, makita nyo na nasa tamang level siya. There, medyo advantage konti sa amount na 99 pesos ba yun. Let's try to check here. Yan yung item na to, mayroong wall mount ka na. Okay guys, that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe or like this channel, Viewers. Bye bye.